What's up YouTubers, PokeJediTrek's here. So today's cooking video I'm going to be showing you how to make orange chicken from scratch. And contrary to how it may seem, there's actually a way you can make orange chicken with only 4 ingredients. And let's go over what we need. So the 4 ingredients you actually need for orange chicken is just some chicken nuggets or something similar like chicken bites, as long as they're breaded. You also, or you can even use popcorn chicken for that matter. You also need some orange marmalade. You also need soy sauce and barbecue sauce. So let's get started. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to cook your chicken nuggets or your bites according to your package directions. They vary from package to package. Keep that in mind. So as you notice from the package, I have right here, I'm using the Foster Farms breast nuggets. And then what you're going to do, and you got to, like in this case for the Foster Farms breast nuggets, you got to cook them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes. So while your chicken is cooking, you're gonna twist open, and so what you're gonna need is you're gonna need half a cup of your barbecue sauce, and you'll also need 1 cup of your marmalade. Like this. A little bit of an extra marmalade, but it'll do. So anyway, and then you're going to transfer your, both of your sauces to a mixing bowl, to a medium saucepan. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to the saucepan. And then over medium-high heat, you're going to cook, over medium-high heat, you're going to cook everything. You're going to stir it until it's at a consistent texture, everything together. Then over medium-high heat, you're going to cook this, you're going to let this boil over medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it's well thickened, and stir occasionally. Alright, about 6 minutes have passed since I started to heat up the sauce. So now I'm going to cut the heat for now until our nuggets are done, and then I'm going to add them to the pot, and then we'll stir them around. Alright, the chicken has been fully cooked in the oven. Now, like I said, we're going to add this to the hot sauce. To our sauce mix. Oopsies. We're going to stir it around. Once you've given the chicken a little stir, then you're going to serve it with some rice. Alright, so this is how your final product should look like. So I'm going to do a little taste test of the chicken, because if you probably didn't notice in earlier cutaways that I was preparing the rice in advance. So yeah, don't forget that. Prepare your rice according to package instructions as well. This actually is pretty good. Wow. That tastes really good. Anyway, that's how to make orange chicken. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time. What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today's cooking video, I actually saw this recipe and